In this video, we are going to show you how to delete your Twitter account permanently. Now, if for some reason you wanted to really do this, it's very simple. All you do is, of course, you need to be signed into your Twitter account. We are using the desktop version. So what you want to do is click on More here on the main menu on the left-hand side, like so. This pop-up will appear. What you want to do is click Settings and Privacy. Once you click Settings and Privacy, you want to look towards under your account. This is the first option here. By default, this is what you're going to see. And it's going to be, the last option says deactivate your account. So find out how you can deactivate your account. So click on this. Now here, this will deactivate your account. So all you need to do is click on deactivate. It's going to ask you to log in again with your password, and we're going to do that right now. All right, so password is here. All we need to do is click on deactivate. And as you can see, our account is now deactivated. Now, the thing about this is there's no quick way to just permanently delete your account. What you want to do is do this. So deactivate your account. After that, don't reactivate your account within 30 days. So within 30 days, if your account is still not reactivated, Twitter or X will automatically delete the account permanently. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.